Okay, children, let us continue with our worksheet 1.2. Last class we have completed our worksheet 1.1. So, today let us start with our worksheet 1.2. From 1.2, question number A and question number B are fill in the blanks, etc. So, the teacher will send you first one, A as true or false for the following statements, B as fill in the blanks. So, the teacher will send you through photo. If you feel any doubt in any one of the question, teacher will clear it. Okay, let us move to C. In C, write the numeral. Number names are given to you. You have to write the corresponding numerals for the same. So, the first one is 75 lakh 103. 103 given. So, it is given in lakhs. So, surely it is representing a number in according to Indian system of numeration. Number according to Indian system of numeration. So, let us start from our left to right itself. So, 75 lakh written. So, teacher wrote 75. Instead of lakh, teacher put comma because that comma will separate the periods, isn't it? So, lakhs period are separated by putting comma. Then see, by reading the other sentences, we can't see any numbers in thousands period. Can you see any number? 10,000 and 1,000 digits are missing. So, what we do to find the missing digits? We can add zeros. First 0 for 10,000, second 0 for 1,000. Put a comma. Finish. The last one they have already given to you 103. 103 how do you write? 103. This is one's period. One's period has 3 digits. Remaining periods has 2 digits, etc. So, this is 75 lakh 103. Finished. Let us move to question number 2. 5 crore 94 lakh 1033 given. So, first you read 5. Teacher written 5. Instead of crore, teacher put comma. 94, 94. Instead of lakh, put a comma. Then 1,000. 1,000 they have given. 10,000 is missing. So, we have to fill the digit by 0, 1 because we need 2 digits in thousands period. So, 1,000 we have to write it as 0, 1. Then instead of 1,000 we can put comma. Then 33 only given. But we need 3 digits in one's period. How do you fill? 33 has only 2 digits. So, how do you fill hundreds digit? 100 digits by 0. Then tens by 3, ones by 3 itself. Okay. So, this is 5 crore 94 lakh 1033. Okay. Third question is 26 crore 15 lakh 90,033. It is very easy for you because after writing 26 comma instead of crore comma 15 1 5 then comma then 96 90 not 96 90 90 is 90 instead of 1,000 what we have to do comma 33 again. Can you fill 33? No, we have to fill 033 because hundreds digit is missing here. So, we have to fill 100 digit by 0 then 33. Okay. So, this is 26 crore 15 lakh 90,000 then 33. Okay. Let us move to fourth question. 6,333,505. Million means international system of numbers. In international system of numbers, every period has 3 digits. Every period has 3 digits. So, the first one is 6. 6 only given. 6. Instead of million, what we do? Comma. After writing 6, comma. 333. 3 digits needed now. So, 333. 333. Then instead of 1,000, comma. Last one is 505. 505. Finished. The 6,333,505. One more question remains to us. Let us move. Let us move to question number 5 from it. 199 million. 199 million. So 199, we can write it as 199 instead of million, comma 184. 184, 184 instead of 1000, comma, then 1 only given. We need 3 digits at one spirit. Only 1 has been given. Tens digit and 100 digits are missing. So what we do? 0, 0, 1 we can write. Okay, let us move to the other one. Write in short form. Write in short form. Question number D is write in short form. See, the number given is, here it is 4 crore plus 5 lakh plus 60,000 plus 2,000 plus 30 plus 7 is given to us. We have to write the short form of this one. So when we are writing, let us start from here. 4 lakh we have. After writing 4 lakh, from 4 only we need to write, then put a comma. From 4 lakh, we need to write only 4, then comma. Then here, 10 lakhs number is missing. 10 lakh numbers is not given to us. So, we have to fill 10 lakhs place by 0. Then 5 lakh is given. So, teacher wrote 5 here. Then comma. Then from here, 60,000. So, 10,000 is given as 6. So, 10,000's place you can fill by 6. Then 2,000 you can fill by 1,000's place you can fill by 2. Comma, here 100's place is missing. So we have to write 100's place by 0. Replace 100's place by 0. Then 33 enough, and from last 7 itself. If you don't know to count like this way, lakhs, 10 lakhs, 1,000, 10,000, etc. What you have to do is write the given numbers one by one. Without changing their places. Write the given numbers one by one and usual addition method. Column wise when you add, there won't be any mistake. Okay. So teacher did first question directly according counting number of places etc. But here second and third question, teacher is writing all the numbers one by one. First one is 1 crore. Then 70 lakh. Then 3 lakh. Then comes 30,000. Then 3,000. 500, then 60. Okay, so by adding column wise, this becomes 0. Next column we have only one digit remains 6. Then next column 5. Then next column 3. Again 3. Again 3. Then comes 7 and last digit 1. So the required number is 1 crore 73 lakh 33,560. Okay. Similarly, third question also teacher wrote like this. 9 crore 60 lakh 5 lakh 40,348. Here the missing one is, which one is missing? Thousands digit is missing. So in thousands digit only we have to fill by 0. Remaining are all given. 9 crore 65 lakh 40. How 40 came? Thousands digit is missing. That's why 40,348. There are 2 more questions for you. Try to answer yourself. Okay. Thank you. Let us move to E question. Round off the following numbers according to the given question. According to the question, round off the following numbers. There are only 5 questions. Easy one for you. The first one is 354 to nearest 10. To nearest 10. 10 means ending with how many zeros? 1 zeros. So, teacher, first what we are doing is rounding off to tens means, circle the ones digit. Circle the ones digit and suddenly replace it by 0. Circle and replace it by 0. So, teacher has replaced by 0. Then you look at this number. After circling, write 0 below. Then look at this number. If it is less than 5, now there is no change goes to remaining digit. If it is less than 5, there is no change goes to remaining digit. So it is 4 is less than 5. So there is no change goes to 5, bring down. There is no change goes to 3, bring down. And 350 is the nearest 10. Okay, 354 has been rounded down. to 350, nearest to 10. Okay, let us move to same question 354 to nearest 100. 100 means how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. And here you need to circle tens digit only. Circle tens digit and replace ones and tens digit by 0. Okay, first circle tens digit, replace these two by zeros. This digit you don't bother whether it is greater than 5, less than, whatever it is, you just replace it by 0. Now look at the circled one only. Circled one is 5. When it is 5 or more than 5, add 1 to the previous digit. 3 plus 1 equal to 400. So 354 has been rounded up to 400. Okay. Next question. 8373 to nearest 100. To nearest 100. Same as above question. Circle the tens digit. Replace first two digit by zeros. Then you look at this 7. Is 7 greater than 5? Yes, 7 is greater than 5. If 7 is greater than 5, add 1 to the previous digit. That is 3 become 3 plus 1, 4. 8 does not have any change. Bring down 8. So the nearest 100 to 8373 is 8400. Okay, let us move to fourth question. 34,256 to nearest 10. Nearest 10 means you have to circle your ones digit. Replace it by 0. Now look at this. Is it greater than 5? Yes, it is greater than 5. So you add 1 to the previous digit. That is 5 becomes 6. Remaining digit does not have any change. You bring down. Only change goes to this 5 only. So 5 become 5 plus 1, 6. Remaining digits are all 2, 4 and 3. So 34,260 is the nearest 10 to which number? 34,246. Let us move to the last question. Which one? 6,50,937 to nearest 1000 given. Nearest to 1000. Nearest to 1000 means which digit you have to round off? 100 digit you have to round off. 100 digit. Replace first 3 digits by zeros. Replace first 3 digit by zeros because in 1000 there are 3 zeros. So next one, look at this 9. 9 is more than 5. So what we want to do? Add 1 to this 0. Add 1 to this 0. So 0 become 1 and this 5 become 5. This 6 become 6. So given number has been rounded up to 6,51,000. Okay. Remaining questions teacher will send you through photos. Copy the same. If you feel any doubt, you can ask me the same. Okay. Thank you.